if you're a married couple getting ready to retire and you're both about the same age, you've been on the same plan at work. Either you were on your spouse's plan or he was on your plan. You could have been on your own plan, but a lot of times people are on the same plan. And they might have been on this plan for 10, 20 years. So they're thinking like a couple, if you're a package deal, when you're not really a package deal. When you get ready to go on Medicare, you each have to sign up and you each have to choose your own benefits. And you don't have to choose the same thing. A lot of times people do. A lot of times they don't. So with the Medicare supplement, a lot of the companies entice you to both buy the same plan. Now, not all companies and not all states allow it, but most states allow for a household discount for married couples, for cohabitating couples. A lot of times you don't have to be married. It could be like you and your nephew live together, or me and my sister live together. But if I live with anybody at least 12 months, that is over the age of 60, or sometimes they don't even have an age, they have over age 18. But those are called household discounts. And those household discounts can be really big. You might each get a 5, 6, 7, up to 12% discount if you both buy the same plan. Sometimes you don't even have to both buy it. Sometimes I get the discount as long as I live with somebody else. And that's because the smart mathematicians, the actuaries, know that when you live with somebody else, you're healthier. You got to get out of bed. You got to get dressed. You got to, do some stuff. But when you're alone, it's easy just to not get out of bed, stay in your pajamas all day, and maybe eat some soup, So actuaries know that you're healthier if you live with someone, so they give you this big, deep discount. So a lot of married couples might find it advantageous to buy the same Medicare supplement plan, or to stay with the same company to get that discount. So a lot of times you come to me and you say, I'm getting ready to retire. I'll say, what's going on with your husband? You're like, what do you care about my husband? He's been on Medicare for years. Well, I want to know what he has, because if he already has a Aetna Medicare Supplement Plan G, I might want to sell you the same ones to get that discount, because that's available in your state. It's not like it's not available in all states. So that's why when I'm asking you questions, or you call us at the Medicare Family, we're asking you all kinds of stuff that you think doesn't matter. Like, why are we asking you about how much you travel out of state, where your kids live, a lot of this stuff. We're not prying. We're trying to put this all together to get you the best benefits at the best price. If you have questions, call us at the Medicare Family. Let my family, 3 generations of my family, help your family with these important retirement decisions. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.